Producing digital communications for users who experience visual impairment. We learned that by using large clear font, minimum of 18 points, against a contrasting colored background was easier for users with VI to read. We used white-colored text against a black background for ultimate contrast. We kept the text aligned to the left. We used images only where necessary and provided meaningful alternative descriptive text to enhance the user experience. We did not use purely decorative images. Such images cannot be described by screen readers. Images containing text cannot be read by screen readers. We recorded audio versions of the web page and documents. We avoided using tables of information. We wrote out web links in full and did not use the phrase "click here." We engaged lived experiences to test our web page for accessibility. For more information on how to ensure your digital communications are accessible to users who experience VI, please visit rnib.org.uk. To learn more about the IS-vid project, please visit ichopeevents.co.uk.